Do you know what's the biggest advantage, or what's the most beautiful thing of living in a village? It's the weather, it's the fresh air, and the nature. And I love it. I love it a lot in my village. Right now it's 3:11, so that means afternoon, and I'm walking. I'm walking into the forest, garden, and I'm also beside the pond, lake. Why I am enjoying it is like it's windy. It was really sunny. Wow. Wow. It was really sunny. Couple of hours back, or maybe, oh my god, half an hour back. Damn. It's amazing. And now I'm feeling like it's really good weather. It's fresh and I'm loving it. That's why I just went out. And maybe I'll do some fishing today as well. It's also easy to be patient, you know, in a good weather. That's what am I doing right now. I'm arranging some feed for the fish as well, so that I can do that after maybe half an hour later. I'll also show you that one. And I'm just walking alone, enjoying the nature. Wow. Look at my back. I feel like a tornado, but it's still good. Wow. Boom. Damn. Okay, I think I should go over there because that place is better than this one. Okay. I mean, as it is really windy, I don't think that there's a rain gonna come soon, because, you know, wind, those just like push the cloud to another places. So the cloud go away so that it can't be rain here, right? I don't know. I don't know the proper science behind it, but that's what I know. I mean, I don't know how, like, how do I know that? But that is what I know. Damn, no, I'm sorry. Okay, I think that's the truth, because that sounds logical, right? Okay, yeah. That's the thing. Let me show you a tree. Do you know, guys, this tree, what does it call? And let me show some flowers as well. This is not properly bloomed, but that's that one. Okay, let me show that one. That one is good. That one is good. Yeah, that is beautiful, right? This really renowned fruits in, not in our village, but also in the country, right? Wow. This is a big pond, and look at the view. Wow. Impressive, isn't it? Yeah. So the thing is, like, if you have time, if you have this opportunity, do not miss it. Do not miss it to travel your village, to enjoy this kind of weather. And if you don't have any, then let me know. I'll bring you. Wow, I'll bring you to my village. Okay, that's cool. Whew. I'm a little afraid, you know, it is too much. So maybe some branch will broken from the tree. It's not the regular though. Yeah. Amazing. Wow. And let me show you guys something. So there are some dates. It's like our native dates, I mean Deshi date, which is also available in my village. Ah, my camera. Yep. It's not still It cannot capture that one. Wow. Just such a wonderful view. I was thinking about a kite, I mean, a couple of minutes ago, but the kite, those are not available right now. So that's why we can't do that. Having a kite this time is just wonderful. Okay, thank you very much, guys, watching this lovely weather with me. Oh my God, something just broken. Okay, guys, we will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like it, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.